Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera. Click the link below for the best price. If you're a photographer or content creator looking for a high-performance full-frame mirrorless camera that delivers both stunning photos and cinematic video, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a serious contender. It's fast, intelligent, and built for versatility, making it ideal for everything from weddings and wildlife to YouTube and commercial shoots. Let's start with the heart of this camera, the 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. It's newly designed to deliver sharp detail, wide dynamic range, and rich color with minimal noise, even in low light. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or fast action, this sensor gives you results that are professional grade. Paired with the Digic X image processor, the R6 Mark II offers blazing speed and exceptional image quality. You'll get continuous shooting at up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter, and 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter. That makes it perfect for capturing split-second moments in sports, wildlife, or live events. Autofocus is another major highlight. The camera features Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, with 1053 AF zones and deep learning AI subject detection. It intelligently tracks faces, eyes, animals, and even vehicles with stunning accuracy and speed, even when they're in motion or partially obscured. On the video side, the R6 Mark II is a powerhouse. It shoots uncropped 4K 60p video oversampled from 6K, giving you incredibly detailed and clean footage. You also get full HD at up to 180 FPS for smooth slow motion, and Canon Log 3 for advanced color grading and post-production flexibility. For hybrid shooters, this camera nails both sides of the content coin. It even includes false color and focus breathing correction, features typically reserved for higher-end cinema gear. And the recording time limit has been extended, so you're not cut off during longer sessions. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization is another standout feature, offering up to 8 stops of shake correction when paired with compatible RF lenses. Whether you're shooting handheld stills or walking with the camera in video mode, the stabilization keeps your shots steady and professional. The OLED electronic viewfinder has a crisp 3.69 million dot resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, while the 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to frame from any angle, especially useful for vloggers or creators filming themselves. Connectivity is strong, too. The R6 Mark II features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and UVC support, allowing for live streaming and tethered shooting. With dual card slots, you can record simultaneously or separately to 2 UHS-2 SD cards, adding security and flexibility to your workflow. Ergonomics-wise, Canon keeps it familiar and comfortable with a deep grip, weather-sealed body, and intuitive menu system that both new users and pros will appreciate. It's compatible with Canon RF lenses, but you can also use F lenses with the optional mount adapter, making it a flexible upgrade path for DSLR users. To sum it up, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is an outstanding mirrorless camera for hybrid creators. With a powerful full-frame sensor, class-leading autofocus, pro-level video tools, and superb ergonomics, it's a versatile and future-ready choice for photographers and filmmakers alike. Click the link below for the best price on the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.